Good morning, Standard 7. I am going to continue chapter 1, Matter and its composition. Dear student, in this video I am going to explain you about the properties of solids, liquids and gas. So let us know about the property of states of matter. Let us the first property, intermolecular space. Dear student, in the previous class I explained you about what do you mean by the intermolecular space. The space between the two atom. The space between the two atom is known as intermolecular space. So in the solid, intermolecular space is negligible, means near to nothing. Space in the solid, the space is negligible, whereas in the liquid, space is more than solid. The space between the two atoms of the liquid is more than the solid, whereas in the gases, space is more than solids and liquid, dear student. So by this you can understand it about the intermolecular space. In the solid, intermolecular space is negligible or no space, you can say, because atoms are closely packed, whereas in the liquid, space is more than solid. There is space between the two atoms in the liquid, whereas in the gases, more and more space between the two atoms because atoms are loosely packed. Next property, safe. Solid have fixed safe. Yes, student. Solid have fixed safe because atoms are closely packed, and due to this reason, all solid have fixed safe. Whereas liquid, safe is not fixed. The shape of the liquid used to change according to the container in which it is being kept. Gases, no fixed shape. So dear student, now you came to know about the shape of the states of matter. So in solid have fixed shape, whereas liquid do not have fixed shape. It used to take the shape of the container in which it is being kept, whereas gases, no shape, dear student. Also it used to take the shape of the container. Third is volume. Solid have fixed volume. What do you mean by the volume? Space occupied by a body. Is known as its volume. So solid have fixed volume, whereas liquid have also fixed volume. But gases have no fixed volume. So dear student, volume, the space occupied by a body is known as its volume. So solid have fixed volume. Liquid also have fixed volume, but gases have no fixed volume, dear student. Next property, effect of pressure. Effect of pressure in the solid is very low. Is very low. Why effect of pressure is very low in the solid? What is the reason behind it? Reason is that atoms are closely packed, and after applying pressure also there is no movement. There is no movement between the atoms. What is the reason behind it? Because atoms are closely packed. Whereas in the liquid, effect of pressure is higher higher than solids. Whereas the effect of the pressure is higher than the liquid and solid, because in the gases atoms have lot of the space, and when we apply the pressure, maximum pressure can be applied in the gases. Maximum pressure can be applied, or more pressure can be applied than the liquid, yes student. Why? Because there is a lot of the space between the atom of gases. Fluidity. What do you mean by the fluidity? Fluidity means ability to flow. Ability to flow. Solid do not flow. Dear student, why solid do not flow? The reason behind it, atoms are closely or tightly packed. Whereas liquid flow from higher level to lower level. Okay? Whereas gases used to flow in all direction. So dear student, fluidity, solid do not flow. Do not flow, reason behind it, atoms are closely packed. Whereas liquid can flow. What is the way of the flowing? Higher level to lower level, from up to down. Whereas gases can flow in any direction. In any direction gases can flow. Next is transparency. Solid are basically opaque, dear student. What do you mean by the transparency? Transparency means the medium through which light can pass. Dear student. So through the solid light is unable to pass. Light is unable to pass except diamond and solid glass. In the solid glass light can pass. Otherwise, rest all the solid objects are opaque. They do not allow light to pass through it. Whereas in the liquid are transparent, but pure liquids are transparent. Light can pass. Whereas in the gases are pure form of the gas. Light can pass, dear student. When the gases are pure, means there is no pollutant, no pollutant. Light can pass. Transparency. So, in the transparency in the solid, almost all solids are opaque, means do not allow light to pass through it, except diamond and glass. Whereas the liquid, pure liquid allowed to pass the light. Pure liquid allowed to pass the light, dear student. Whereas the gases, when it is in the pure form, light can pass through it. Next is the luster. What do you mean by the luster? Shiny appearance. Shiny appearance, dear student. Almost all solid are have the luster, or especially all the metals, all the metals have shining appearance, known as a lustrous. Whereas in the liquid are also they are lustrous. One liquid metal known as mercury, which is the most lustrous among the liquid, whereas the gases non-lustrous. So lustrous means shining appearance. All the solid metals are lustrous, whereas in the liquid, all the liquid are lustrous, and the most liquid is the metal known as mercury, whereas the gases are non-lustrous. Next is the solubility in the water. Maximum solid are insoluble in the water. Maximum solid are insoluble in the water, dear student. As wood, stone, as few solid like the salt and sugar are soluble in the water, whereas liquid like milk, alcohol, vinegar are soluble. Milk, alcohol, vinegar are miscible or soluble, but whereas the oil, different type of the oil like petrol, diesel, kerosene are insoluble in water. Gases, few gases are soluble in water, but many are insoluble. So the gases which are soluble like oxygen, carbon dioxide, ammonia, these are soluble in water. So dear student, this was about the detailed property of solid, liquid and gas. So dear student, please you read the topic. Read the topic of the property of solids, liquid and gas and learn about its property. Thank you, dear student.